Hello everyone, this is Mallika Jolly, a professional makeup artist. Today I'm going to tell you about an amazing product that cleanses your skin from deep within, thus purifying it to remove the imperfections. So here I have L'Oreal's Pure Clay Detoxifying Mask. It is supercharged with nourishing and detoxifying benefits. The main ingredients are clay and charcoal, which remove and absorb the impurities and oil from the pores of your skin, which are normally clogged with a lot of dust, dirt and pollution. This super cleansing effect works brilliantly on blackhead or acne prone oily skin as well as normal to dry skin. So let me quickly show you how to use it. It is very important to start with a clean face with no product on. I just washed my face using the Forest Essentials Delicate Facial Cleanser. Apply a thin layer on your face, avoiding the eyes and the lips. You could also apply just on the T-zone. It has a super creamy texture, hence the application is very easy. I will now leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, but please listen to your skin because the drying time is lesser for dry to sensitive skin and a little more for oily skin. So this is how the mask looks once it dries. It makes the face very stiff, so please avoid talking. I'm doing it only for this video. I will now go and wash my face with water. I'm going to use circular motion to wash this off for an added mild exfoliating effect. Once you've rinsed your clay mask off, finish with a moisturizer. It is very important to keep your skin hydrated. Clay masks can sometimes be a little drying. I'll be using the Clinique Moisture Surge. After using this clay mask, I feel so fresh and clean. My skin feels super smooth and radiant as well. Now, depending on your skin type, you could use this 2 to 3 times a week, but regular usage will surely give you a clear, blemish-free, brighter skin with a glowing complexion. I definitely recommend you keep this product as a part of your skincare routine. Hope you all enjoyed the video. See you soon next time. Until then, stay beautiful. Today I'm going to show you how to use an at-home facial kit to get professional salon-like results, which is very important during the current social distancing norms. Facial kits are a great add-on to your skincare routine. We all want good skin, and our love for gold is never reducing. The Biotique Gold Radiance Facial Kit is a perfect combination for us. I personally love Biotique products because they are 100% organic and contain no preservatives and chemicals. A gold facial has many benefits. It activates the process of cell renewal and improves the blood circulation. It also helps to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, thus giving you youthful looking skin. It also has antibacterial properties which help to reduce the acne and pimples. It works equally well on dry and oily skin, thus it is suitable for all skin types. For the first step, we need to evenly apply the gold scrub provided in the kit and leave it for 3 minutes. Then with damp fingers, do circular massage to exfoliate the dead skin. Wipe off the scrub gently with a soft towel. Next, we apply the gold peel-off mask in an even layer on the entire face and neck. It helps maintain the skin pH balance. Once it dries up, peel off and again gently wipe your face. After the mask, apply half quantity of the gold serum on entire face and neck and massage till absorbed. This provides radiance to the skin. Now apply the gold gel on the entire face and neck and massage for 10 minutes. It enhances the cell renewal and gives youthful glow. Next, apply the gold cream on the face and neck and again massage for 10 minutes. It nourishes and helps to restore the skin luster. Apply the remaining gold serum on the entire face and neck and massage till it penetrates completely. Last step is to apply and massage the dark spot corrector provided in the kit as the finishing, moisturizing and protecting layer. So this is the final look post the facial regime. It brightens up your face and removes dullness. It also gives an immediate glow with clean, radiant and soft skin. I would recommend regular usage every 4 weeks for continuous improvement in overall appearance and skin health. I hope you all enjoyed this video and make sure you try these out. Until next time, take care and stay safe, but also stay radiant and beautiful. A glamorous look is every girl's high, and today I will be showing you a step-by-step process to achieve an eye-catching glam look. Apply some concealer on the eyelids and set using powder. Start by applying a brown intense eyeliner on the lids. You don't have to worry about being neat at this point as we will be blending this out. Next, add a dark brown eyeshadow and blend the line further, taking the color all the way up to the crease. Now use a fluffy brush to blend any harsh lines. Use more color if required. Add a darker shade to the outer corner and blend. Next, apply a shimmery muted gold to the lids and a softer shimmer to highlight the brow bones. Add a little more brown to define the crease line. Apply kajal in the upper and lower waterlines. Then apply eyeliner. Curl your lashes and apply fake eyelashes if you wish. Apply mascara to the upper and lower lashes. Finish the eyes by lining the lower lash line using a brown pencil and smudging it with a brown eyeshadow. Use a shimmer to highlight the inner corner of the eye. You can now clean any fallout before you start with the face makeup. Apply some moisturizer if required. I'm using an eyebrow marker to shape my brows, and because I like them thicker, I'll be using a brown eyeshadow to define them further. Apply concealer to the under eyes and other problem areas and blend. Mix the foundation and strobe cream for a dewy effect. Spot apply on face, then blend in a buffing motion. Dab a little powder on the under eyes and other areas that may get oily to help set the base. Contour your cheeks, jawline, forehead and nose to define and enhance your face shape. Apply blush on the apple of the cheeks, blending outwards. Apply the highlighter to the high points of your face to give an extra dimension and radiant look. Use a lip liner to outline and fill in your lips, then apply the lipstick over it. This will make the lipstick stay on the lips for longer. Spray some setting mist on the face from a distance for added hydration and setting your makeup. A glam makeup look is great for any event, whether it's a wedding or just a fun night out. All you need is confidence to carry it off. You can have your own version of the glam makeup. As I always say, makeup is all about experimenting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay safe and look glamorous. In the world of beauty, makeup removal is one step that you can't skip in your routine. Struggle through it even if you're too tired. In this video, I will be showing you a few simple steps that you need to follow for a refreshed, happy skin. You absolutely must take off all your makeup completely if you want clean and glowing skin. Leaving your makeup overnight may lead to clogged pores, breakouts, or in the long run, even wrinkles. So let's quickly go through the steps that you would need to follow. I always begin with the eye makeup. Ensure that fake lashes, if used, are removed carefully. I will be using the Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. It is great for removing waterproof makeup. It's non-greasy and nourishes your skin while cleansing it. It can be used for the eyes, face and the lips and suits all skin types. The skin around the eye is very thin and you have to be light-handed while removing your eye makeup. Next, I will be removing the face makeup using the same cleansing water. Lastly, I will be removing the lipstick using the same technique. Once the makeup is removed, wash your face with a cleanser. I will be using the Forest Essentials Delicate Facial Cleanser. After you rinse your face, use a toner to balance the pH of your skin and to tighten the pores. I will be using the Yves Rocher Hydra Vegetal Moisturizing Toner. The last and the final step is to apply a moisturizer and lip balm to hydrate your skin and lips. I will be using the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer and a Dr. Organic Lip Balm. So these are the basic steps that you should follow for complete removal of makeup to keep your skin healthy. And remember, removing makeup is a ritual that needs to be taken seriously. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay safe and stay glowing.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.